In this video lesson, I will show you what is the EURUSD Pip value calculator. Well, you calculate the Pip value in the deposit currency you have on your trading platform. You can see here a link for this article and also which is also including this Pip value calculator, which I will put below in the description, so you can simply check the Pip value calculator and also an article that shows you a manual calculation and also how the calculation is made with this Pip value calculator. This field where you can see is the number of pips, where you set the number of pips that you would like to calculate. In this case, I have put 1, which means I would like to know what is the pip value for 1 pip with the EURUSD, where I have deposit currency equal to US dollar. When you click calculate, you get that 1 pip is equal to $10 with the deposit currency, which is USD. Then you have here an instrument that is defining what is the instrument that you have on your trading platform and which pip value you would like to calculate for. Then you have here the number of units. You can also switch to lots, which means 1 lot is equal also to 100,000 units in the Forex for the instrument EURUSD. Then you have here a deposit currency, which also you can change if you would like, but in my case I will leave US dollar because my deposit currency is in US dollars. And the final field is EURUSD 1 pip size, which means how many decimal points you have for this instrument. In my trading platform I have 1.086883, which means I have 5 decimal points, but the 5th decimal point is equal to number of pipettes, so I'm not counting the final one, so I have also 4 decimal points, so I will leave this EURUSD pip size. If you would like to change this one, you can also try to change the number of the instrument. In this case, simply click calculate and you get the US dollar equal to 1 pip. If you change this one to number of 2, that means you would like to know how 2 pips is equal to how many US dollar. It says $20, which means 2 pips multiplied with the $10 is $20. Below here in the article you will see EURUSD Pip value calculator, an example with 3 different scenarios. First one is when the Pip value is for the base currency. In the EURUSD, the euro is a base currency and this is the formula for the Pip value. If you have for the quote currency, then you have another formula. And in the third case, where you have a deposit currency that is in some other currency, for example, I have put here CHF, it is not euro or USD, there will be a different calculation. And this is an example where you can see how to make that calculation. Below that, you have also an example how to calculate the profits for the EURUSD, where you have a pip difference, for example, for 20 pips. Now, then you will see what is the profit in US dollars and also in euro. Let's go to an example with the trading platform where I will show you how to calculate, for example, on one example, the pip value. Simply click new order and I will leave here the volume is equal to 1, which means it is 100,000 units or 1 lot. I will click sell and the new order will open here with the current market price. You can see that currently I have here a profit is equal to -6, which means minus 0.6 pips. Remember that I have here 5 decimal points, so when you have 1 digit that means the number of pipettes. So when you have 2 digits, that means for example I had 10, that means 1 pip. So when you put the number here that you can see here in the profit column, for example -6, it says -$6. So when you put here 0.6, which is 0.6 pipette, click calculate and you will get that the current profit is $6. In my case I am in minus, which means in loss, then I have -$6. You can see it is the same scenario that you see here in the trading platform. This way you can use this Pip value calculator for the EURUSD to calculate how much of money you could make or lose on this trade. For example, if I change this trade and put stop loss and take profit equal to 100 units, that means 10 pips, I will click modify and you can see these lines here. So when I go with my mouse over this line, I will see that it says profit $88, which means pips 88. It is not 88 pips because I have 5 decimal points in this currency, so this means 8.8 pips. And when I put here 8.8 pips, click calculate, I get $88, the same value I got here that I can see in the trading platform. So you can see you can easily use this calculator to calculate how much money you would make or lose if you put any other than the number of pips on this trade. So you can easily see before opening an order and also take profit and the stop loss levels how much money you could make or lose, so you can also make the precise calculation for your risk. If you have any questions regarding this Pip calculator for the EURUSD, please leave a comment below the video in the description and I will try to make the answer in the next video. See you next time and happy trading!